How to turn mentions on or off for people you follow on REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily turn off or on your mentions on the REDnote app. If you're getting tired of too many mentions, want to make sure that you don't miss any from people you know, in this tutorial I'll show you how to turn on mentions or off for the people you know on the REDnote app. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First thing you need to do is open up the app and make sure that you are logged into your account to access all of its settings. Next, find the tab button on the top bottom right corner. So on the Me tab, you'll just get to your profile page. Once you land on your profile, you'll have to access your settings. So just tap on the gear icon and then the privacy settings. Once you head over to privacy settings, you'll have these options right here. So if you have been getting a lot of random mentions from random people, you can only allow mentions from the people that are from your following list. So only the people that you follow will be able to mention you on their videos or any comments. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty straightforward. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.